In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on your computer using Lumin PDF and Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to access Google Drive. So open up your web browser and go to drive.google.com. This is your central hub for all your Google Drive files. Once you're there, sign in if you haven't already. Now it's time to locate the PDF document you wish to highlight. Look through your saved files. If you have a lot of documents, you might need to scroll down a bit or use the search bar at the top to make it easier. Just type in the name of your PDF and you should see it pop right up. Once you've found the PDF, it's time to open it with Lumin PDF. To do that, right-click on the PDF file. A menu will appear. Hover your cursor over the Open With option. This will bring up a list of applications you can use. From this list, select Lumin PDF Edit or Sign Documents. You'll notice it's the perfect tool for what you need. When you open Lumin PDF for the first time, it might ask you to grant some permissions. If prompted, choose the Google account you want to use with Lumin PDF, and then click the Continue button. Make sure to review the permissions carefully. You can click Select All to accept the terms, and then hit Continue once more. This step is crucial for letting Lumin know you're okay with how it will interact with your Google Drive files. After a brief moment, your PDF document will open in a new Lumin PDF tab. Great! Now we need to activate the Highlight tool. Look around the Tool menu. You should see the text highlight icon, which typically looks like a marker pen. Go ahead and click that icon. You're almost there. Now this is the fun part. Scroll through your PDF to find the text you want to highlight. Once you've located it, click and drag your cursor over the text you want to highlight. It's as simple as that. Lumin PDF will apply the highlight, making the text stand out beautifully. Take a moment to review your highlights. If you want to make adjustments or highlight more text, just repeat the same clicking and dragging motion. Lumin PDF makes it easy and straightforward, so don't hesitate to explore other tools available if you need to add annotations or notes alongside your highlights. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted text on your PDF using Lumin PDF and Google Drive. It's a handy skill to have for studying, reviewing documents, or simply making important info pop. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Happy highlighting!